Business transactions in Makati City Hall are affected by the suspension of Mayor Junjun Binay, as acting Mayor Kid Peña has yet to assume office. City Hall was on a half-day schedule, and many of these transactions were left unfinished. Karen Dapitillo had to pay for the renewal of the business permit of their clinic. She was here Tuesday, but there was a standoff between the police and Binay's supporters.
In July na ngayon, dapat kahapon kami magbayad. Kaya lang kasi may gulo kahapon, so hindi kami natuloy. So ngayon kami magbayad. Yun nga lang, pagpasok namin dito, sabi, 1 pa lang daw, wala ng mga empleyado.
The Makati Chamber of Commerce and Industry says startup small and medium enterprises are the ones most affected.
Ang mga permits, ang mga businesses, natatakot na sila na especially yung pagpunta-punta sa City Hall kasi nga pwede kang masugatan.
MCCI President Luz Biminda Jose says it would have been better if Binay honored the suspension order immediately. The Makati Police is trying to restore order in the City Hall grounds as soon as possible. Bomb squads and K9 units inspected the City Hall premises as acting Mayor Kid Peña is scheduled to arrive there on Thursday. Makati Chief of Police Senior Superintendent Ernesto Barlam says they saw nothing unusual during their inspection.
Wala tayo nakita mga gamit na pasabog, wala. Nalinis tayo.
Barlam says Mayor Binay's office is now ready to be occupied by Peña if he wants to. Binay's personal belongings have already been removed. There are still about 100 policemen manning the grounds of the City Hall. They will stay here until the Interior Department orders their withdrawal. Rex Prometeo, CNN Philippines.